Now let's face it, bears and chocolate, the typical Valentine's Day gift, no girl wants that. It's so cliche. What is freaking up, you guys? It's JeMay. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a Valentine's Day gift guide, but we're not choosing that stupid teddy bear and the stupid chocolates. Those are cliche. We're not going there. We're going different, okay? So today I'm going to be showing you guys 10 Valentine's Day gifts that you can get for yourself or your significant or your significant other. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die over here. No, we're gonna be unique when it comes to these Valentine's Day gifts, and we're gonna think outside the box besides bears and chocolate. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Perfume is a great gift for your girl, for yourself, for anybody. It looks like a freaking gold tree is growing out of a bottle. I'll also be linking all these gift ideas in the description down below, but this perfume, Alexa, what is the perfect date night idea? The perfect date night idea is Olive Garden, and it is exactly 25 minutes away from your home. Boom! Y'all, get you an Echo Dot for your girl, for yourself, for your man's. Perfect gift idea for anybody. The Instax Mini 8, perfect gift idea for your everyday photographer, videographer, or somebody that just wants to have fun. I think these retail for about like $65, a bit on the expensive side, but honestly, a picture is worth 1,000 words. They produce quality content, and if you're into film photography, then I would definitely recommend this for you. It's just a great little guide to capture those nice moments. Another freaking great speaker, the Bose Mini SoundLink 2. It produces the most quality sound ever. Bose itself just has a high reputation, and I 100% trust their products. I wouldn't be recommending any of these things to you guys if I personally don't like it, because I want you guys to trust me, and if I lose your trust, I just wouldn't want that for my channel. But I listen to this guy literally every morning and every night. It's Bluetooth too, so all you have to do is just connect your phone to it and you're good to go. If you're feeling a little bit bougie for Valentine's Day, I would definitely recommend you get some designer bags. I don't know why, I just love pops of colors in my bags. Although these are not cheap whatsoever, if you're feeling a little bit splurgy on yourself or your significant other, then I would definitely recommend some designer bags. Hey baby, put this makeup on. We going on a date night. That's exactly how I would picture my boyfriend, like saying something if he gave me makeup as a gift. I would say the exact same thing. I would be like, hey babe, we're going on a date night, put this makeup on, get pretty, do whatever you gotta do, and I'll meet you down at 8 o'clock. That is like gold. My oil diffuser is literally the gift that keeps on giving. All I have to do is add water and a few drops of like essential oils, and it'll make your house smell so freaking good. It depends on what scent you get. Personally, I like lavender, but you can get whatever scent you want. Personally, I like oil diffusers a lot better than candles because I feel like they smell stronger and they spread more throughout the house. The Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray is actually one of my favorite products on his line. This is actually my setting spray for my makeup. I totally recommend this. Instead of just getting this $12 bottle, I would recommend, like, for a gift, get a gift set, and I'll link one down below. The one below, I personally have had it before. It comes with the rose water spray. It also comes with like rose hemp oil, and I believe it was a face mask, and the face mask wonders, as well as the rosehip nourishing oil. It is packed with a lot of antioxidants, which is perfect for your skin. It is also great for if you have dry/combination skin, and it's a very, very lightweight moisturizer, which is an absolute plus. Now, what's a good Valentine's Day gift guide without some jewelry? I don't know. But my mom, she recently got me like these 3 little bracelets. I'm gonna link down below where she got them from because I have no idea where she got them from. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like up close and personal. So these are what the bracelet says. The first one says Hakuna Matata, a reference from The Lion King, my favorite movie when I was a kid. The next one says Just Keep Swimming, which is a reference from Finding Nemo. And then the other one says She Believed She Could, So She Did, which basically means that I can do whatever I put my mind to and I'm able to achieve my dreams. And throughout the website, they literally have hundreds and hundreds of quotes. They have literally Hakuna Matata, that's The Lion King, Just Keep Swimming, Finding Dory. All those like inspirational quotes that you see on Pinterest and everywhere else, they are most likely gonna have that on their website. And you have like a little symbolic meaning on your wrist every day. So I totally recommend these. They are very, very good quality. I've never taken them off except for in the shower, and they don't have any scratches or anything on them. I had it for about 2 months, so I would definitely recommend these bracelets. Now, if you're a cooker, this might be a weird Valentine's Day gift, but I would personally love a crock pot. I like food, I don't know about you, but I do. Crock pots make your life so much easier. There's been plenty of times where I just cook some roast in here, let it sit all day, and come home to a nice home-cooked meal. I made macaroni in here. There's so much you can do. I made boiled eggs in here. I put them in at night, eat them in the morning. This is just a good gift idea if you like food, or if you're a cooker, or you like the color teal, because that's what color this is. Perfect little gift for you and your significant other or yourself. But if you're like on a date night, you can be like, hey baby, I made us some dinner, check the crock pot. And then you have a nice dinner just waiting for you. So sweet. So I would definitely recommend getting somebody a crock pot for Valentine's Day.